Welcome, everyone. I'm excited to introduce today's presentation on globe valves, precision flow control. In this session, we'll explore what globe valves are, how they work, and their applications in piping systems. We'll cover their main features, usage scenarios, and why they are essential in certain industries. So let's get started and learn more about these important flow control devices. Flow regulation is achieved by lifting the disc away from the seat ring. The key here is that the distance the disc moves determines how much fluid can pass through, allowing for very precise adjustments in the flow rate. This means we can control the flow with a high degree of accuracy, which is critical in many applications. Now, in terms of operation, a globe valve uses a movable disc that sits against a stationary ring seat inside a spherical body. The flow of fluid can pass either under or over the disc, depending on its position. Typically, you'll find that globe valves have a bolted bonnet and a rising stem, which is often referred to as an OS and Y type. When we look at the internal components, everything is designed for precise control, with the mechanism allowing for smooth movement of the disc. Understanding these parts and how they work together helps us see why globe valves are so effective for regulating flow in various systems. Let's talk about the installation orientation. The preferred position is upright, meaning the valve should be installed vertically. This orientation helps ensure optimal operation and makes maintenance easier. Of course, some deviation from vertical is possible, but it's important to understand that it's a compromise. Installing the valve in any other position, especially upside down, is not recommended. Why? Because it can cause dirt and debris to collect in the bonnet, which can lead to operational issues down the line. So, sticking to the upright position is your best bet for reliable performance. Let's talk about some common problems with globe valves. Often, these issues are related to the stem, the packing, or even internal debris. Understanding these potential problems is key because it helps us maintain the valve's performance and extend its lifespan. If the stem isn't functioning properly, it can cause leaks or difficulty in opening and closing the valve. Packing issues, such as wear or improper installation, can lead to leakage around the stem. And then there's internal debris, which can hinder the valve's movement or cause damage over time. By recognizing these issues early and knowing how to address them, we can keep our valves working smoothly and avoid costly downtime. This is all about proactive maintenance and understanding the internal workings of the valve to ensure long-term reliability. Let's discuss some common causes behind difficult operation. First, foreign debris like sand or dirt can get trapped on the threads or in the packing area. This can really hinder smooth movement. To fix this, it's important to inspect and thoroughly clean the drive nut, stem, bearings, and yoke bushing using a lint-free cloth and a suitable solvent. Keeping these parts clean ensures smooth operation. Next, if the packing bolt is too tight, it can cause excessive compression, making it hard to operate. Always verify the torque on the packing bolt and adjust it to the manufacturer's proper specifications. Proper tension helps maintain a balance between sealing and ease of movement. Lastly, the stem itself might be the issue. Small grooves or improper lubrication can cause resistance. In this case, disassemble and inspect the stem carefully for any damage. Small grooves can often be polished out with an emery cloth, and then ensure the stem is properly lubricated. Proper lubrication reduces friction and helps everything move smoothly. All these points tie back to the overall theme of maintaining your equipment properly. By addressing debris, packing tension, and lubrication, you'll ensure easier operation and extend the life of your valve. Now, let's talk about a simple but effective prevention tip. Covering outdoor valves with jackets can really help prevent debris from accumulating around them. This not only keeps the valves cleaner, but also reduces the likelihood of maintenance issues down the line. It's a small step that can make a big difference in keeping your system running smoothly. Next, I want to address a common problem we see when the torque required to operate a valve is too much for the size of the handwheel. If the handwheel is too small, it can make turning the valve difficult and put extra strain on the operator. To fix this, increase the size of the handwheel. But, and this is important, make sure the operator doesn't overtorque the valve when closing it. Overtorquing can cause damage or wear over time, so find that balance between ease of operation and proper closure. Lastly, remember that excessive torque can be caused by other issues too, not just the size of the handwheel. So, always consider other potential causes and address them accordingly to ensure smooth operation and longevity of your valves. All right, let's talk about Dr. Rusty's recommendation here. He advises replacing the entire bonnet assembly, including the bellows and stem, rather than trying to repair them. This is important because repair efforts might not fully restore the integrity of these components, especially in specialized bellows seal globe valves. When we see a packing leak in these valves, it often indicates a more serious issue. Either the bellows has ruptured or a weld has cracked. These leaks are not just minor inconveniences, they can signify significant failure points. So the key takeaway is that a leak in the bellows seal isn't something to ignore or patch up temporarily. Instead, it's a clear sign that the entire assembly should be replaced to ensure safety and reliability. This aligns with our overall focus on proactive maintenance and addressing root causes rather than just symptoms. Now let's take a closer look at the pressure regulating valve, or PRV. This valve is a specialized modification of the standard globe valve. What makes it unique is that it uses a spring-loaded diaphragm to control flow. This setup helps maintain a desired downstream pressure by restricting flow when needed, ensuring system stability. Moving on, there's the bellow seal globe valve. This type is designed to provide a hermetic seal around the working fluid, which is crucial in applications where preventing leaks is essential. The bellow acts as a barrier, ensuring zero leakage into the environment and protecting both the system and the surrounding area. It's also important to note that globe valves come in various specialized forms tailored for specific industrial and water treatment applications. These variations are designed to meet the unique demands of different systems, enhancing efficiency and safety. Overall, these different valve types highlight how valve design can be customized to improve performance and meet the specific needs of complex fluid control systems. Now, let's talk about some key maintenance practices to keep our valves in top shape. First, when installing valves outdoors, it's a good idea to use valve jackets. These provide a protective barrier against debris buildup and help shield the valve from weather-related damage, extending its lifespan. Next, proper orientation is crucial. Make sure the inlet is positioned below the valve seat, and whenever possible, keep the valve upright. This positioning helps ensure smooth operation and makes maintenance easier. Keeping everything clean is also essential. When installing or inspecting, use lint-free cloths and appropriate solvents to keep threads and packing areas free from sand and debris. Cleanliness prevents leaks and ensures proper sealing. Finally, regular inspections are a must. Check the stem condition, verify lubrication levels, and ensure that the packing bolt torque is correct. Doing these checks on a scheduled basis helps catch issues early before they turn into bigger problems. Altogether, these maintenance steps form a key part of our overall strategy to ensure reliable, long-lasting valve performance. Expert insight, regular maintenance, and proper installation orientation are key to preventing the most common globe valve problems. Globe valves are crucial in water treatment plants and industrial systems where precise flow control is essential. Understanding how they work, ensuring they are installed correctly, and performing regular maintenance can make a significant difference. Proper installation orientation helps avoid unnecessary stress and wear, which can lead to leaks or failures down the line. Regular maintenance allows us to catch issues early, such as corrosion or buildup, before they become major problems. Remember, the goal is to keep these valves operating smoothly for as long as possible. Precision control really matters, especially in critical systems where even small deviations can impact overall performance. When we take care of these details, we ensure the reliability and efficiency of the entire system. So, always emphasize proper installation and routine upkeep. It's the best way to prevent problems and extend the lifespan of your globe valves.